Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rayhana and today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful butterfly. This is so easy and very nice. So let's go to see, but before that please subscribe my channel and like my video. In this tutorial I use cotton yarn. You can use 3 colors or just 1 or 2, a pair of scissors, a hook, the number of hook is 30mm, and a needle. So let's go to see. For first round, I'm going to make magic ring. This is the end of yarn. And then make 1 chain, then 2 chain. Now we have 3 chain, and then I'm going to make 2 double crochet into this magic ring. So 1 and 2. Then I'm going to make 2 chain, and next step in this magic room I'm going to make 3 double crochet into the magic ring. 2 and 3. Again 2 chain and 3 double crochet into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. We must have 8 of this shape into this magic ring. As you can see, I have 8 of this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then I make a 2 chain and make a slip stitch in the first stitch. And then again make a slip stitch. And now before I'm going to this space, I change the color of yarn. I hold the yarn between my finger and then into this hole put your hook, yarn over and make 3 chain, 2 and 3. Fix the extra yarn here, hold them together to hide between this stitch, then make 2 double crochet, so 1 and 2. Be careful all of this here in the first hole, then make 2 chain. And again in this hole we need 3 double crochet, so 1, 2 and 3. We have this shape. Now I cut the extra yarn and again in the next hole we need 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, then 2 chain and 3 double crochet. So in each hole we need 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and again 3 double crochet until we arrive here. Now I finish this round, and then I'm going to make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain, and again make 2 slip stitches in the next stitches. And now I want to choose a different color and put yarn between my finger, yarn over, and make 3 chain, and then try to hold the extra yarn behind this stitch to hide them, and then make 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then cut the extra yarn. Now we have these stitches. Then I'm going to make a picot, 3 chain picot, 1, 2, and 3 chain. Then put your hook into the first stitch or first chain and make a slip stitch. Now we have a picot. The shape is like this. Then again here in this hole we need 6 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we have this shape. This is the picot. We have 3 chain, 5 double crochet, picot, and 6 double crochet. Then next, in the next hole, not here, here, I'm going to make just 1 single crochet, and then again in the next hole, like this part, I'm going to make 6 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then make a picot like before. Put your hook in the first chain and make a slip stitch. And again here in this hole, I'm going to make 6 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again in the next hole, I'm going to make just 1 single crochet. So we must continue this shape in this hole until again we arrive here. So in each hole we have 6 double crochet, a picot, and again 6 double crochet. I finish this round and I make a single crochet here, and then again in the 3rd stitch I'm going to make a slip stitch and make just 1 chain and cut the yarn. So we have this shape, but don't worry, if I put this part together, I have a butterfly. Now I change the color and make a slip knot, and then we need 36 chain, just 36. And now cut the yarn. And now put this chain in this part. This is the head of your butterfly. Then cut the extra yarn. And now you have a very beautiful butterfly. You can make this beautiful butterfly in different color. If you like this, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching.